So would you suggest for people starting to want to expand their networks, maybe start with Instagram? Or
Instagram is great, dude. You know it firsthand by now. Instagram is your new business card. If you're the kind of person who has your account closed, you have some weird pictures, you have, it's not interesting, it's boring, it's blah, 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 whatever.
Yeah.
Dude, you're already setting yourself up for failure. You need to, there's a reason why people do things a certain way. It's because it's a business card if you want to connect with people. And by the way, people is everything.
I agree, yeah.
People is everything. So you need to connect. The best way to connect is through Instagram. Everybody is there all the time. So build out your
Talking about Instagram, by the way, this morning.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, I wake up and my account is suspended. Oh, Georgie, your account is suspended. Yeah. Fucking hell. So then I have to do my email, phone, biometric thing, look up, look right, look left. Thankfully, 1 hour later, it was fine. But coming back to the idea of your Instagram being as a business card, dude, you got to optimize that thing. Yeah. Post cool stuff, even if you don't have cool stuff going on, just somehow make it. You don't even need to.
If you have some sort of value or skill or thing you're passionate about, at least share it, because then people will also reach out to you that are interested in the same thing. It doesn't have to be crazy stuff.
Look at what others are doing and try to replicate that. Obviously, if you're at zero, it's very hard and overwhelming to be like, damn, I need to have all these things. But you start small and then you build up. But have at least a clear bio of what you do or what you're good at, or who you can help and stuff like that. And then that's what Ty was talking as well. Super important. That's your card to connect with people. Yeah. So in order to grow, you need to connect. In order to connect, you need to have a nice profile, right? And then you need to start engaging with people. And like you said, going to an environment where you can actually, we walked into this podcast studio.
Yeah, that was the typical example of...
Yeah, and there's just this guy who has who's doing really probably well, in Germany and stuff like that. And then we just connected. Oh, okay, cool. He's already seen me. Bam, that's already a connection. Then I can respond to his stories, say whatever. Hey, would you like to grab a drink? Oh, yeah, okay, I'm busy, but I'm available this time. All right, cool. Then we can go for a drink, sit down, talk. What you guys do? Yeah, cool. All right, you want to come for a pod? Okay, cool, I can do that. Then we invite him for, it's just like that.
It's a snowball.
You need to do a little bit, and it doesn't happen fast. It happens you first do a little bit, right? And then you wait. You need to be patient, right? And then it's like planting.
But you also need to have something to offer.
Of course.
If you're networking with people, why would people want to get to know you? If you don't do anything in life, if you have nothing going for you, why would people want to connect with you?
You need to do something cool.
Yeah. Have at least a skill or something you're passionate about, and then you already have something to at least talk about.
Yeah. For example, we were sitting with a videographer, Abuzar.
Yeah.
And he was telling us about how he was a top-rated seller on Fiverr, and how Fiverr had this thing where they chose 10 people who were selling on Fiverr, 10 people, and he was one of them, and they flew them out to Singapore.
Yeah, a couple, I think more countries even. He got a 5K budget as well to spend.
They flew him out somewhere, tickets paid,
Thailand
hotels paid,
I think,
gave them 5K for spending, and it was all paid by Fiverr because he was one of the top-rated sellers there, So, and then he was asking us, we were having a dinner, and he was asking us, what do you guys think if I start a channel and start, my own community where I'm going to help people become, sell better on Fiverr? And I was like, that's a great idea.
Big market as well.
It's a big market, And then we started brainstorming about, the price points and the content and the funnel, the traffic, all of that. So you need to have something going on, man.
Yeah, exactly. And because he's maybe talking to us, he's getting new ideas about how to have a good funnel. We at least know now that the VSL should be less than 20 minutes, and that he picks up from it as well. So all the knowledge gets it's getting forwarded to more and more people. Yeah. And that's kind of fun as well.
Yeah, such a small thing.
But yeah, it is.